Goans to organize a peaceful protest against land development and building construction regulations on September 26th. The protest will be held outside the TCP office in Patto, Panjim on September 27th at 10:30 a.m. Activist Abhijeet Prabhudessai requested the government to draft a new regional plan to protect Goa for future generations and against the climate crisis. With September 27 being the last day to submit objections and suggestions, the people's protest will be held a day earlier. To discuss the draft amendments to Goa land development and building construction regulations, a seminar is being organized on September 24th at Church Hall, Marga. Architect Elsa Fernandez, environmentalist Claude Alvarez, Abhijeet Prabhudessai, and others are participating. Freddy Fernandez for Herald TV.